The Tâmega House was built utilizing an existing stone masonry structure on site, originally intended for orchid cultivation. The pre-existing stone walls dictated the layout of the ground floor, revolving around a sunken courtyard that seamlessly extends from the living room. To construct the second floor, a delicate steel structure was selected, nestled amidst a cluster of mature trees, almond and cedar, that had grown around the pre-existing stone masonry. Stairs connect the ground floor to the first floor and the roof, offering a panoramic view of Brasilia's city plan and the monumental axis. In addition to the preserved original stone masonry and layout, the steel structure and glass facades, the construction materials include a granite floor on the ground level and an ipe wood floor on the first floor. The ceiling, as well as the kitchen countertop and finishes, were crafted from kumaru wood. The transparency of the facades fosters a closer connection between the inhabitants and the local flora and fauna, including marmoset monkeys and various bird species. The upper-level living room is enveloped by greenery on 3 sides.